Welcome. You are safe here. This is a place of gentle peace. Let the world fade away for a little while. I am glad you are here. Feel the soft cushion beneath you, the calm air around you. You are invited to rest completely. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. Inhale slowly through the nose. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath for a gentle moment. 1, 2. Exhale softly through the mouth. Count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the air leaving your body, releasing tension. Continue this rhythm. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Each breath deeper than the last. Let your shoulders drop with every exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the soft lift of your belly. If thoughts appear, simply notice them and let them drift like clouds, returning your focus to the breath. Imagine now that you are standing at the edge of a quiet forest. The sky above is a deep, soothing shade of teal, tinged with soft purple twilight. The air smells of pine and earth, fresh and cool. Behind you, a gentle rain has just stopped, leaving a faint, comforting scent of wet moss. You take a slow step onto a soft, mossy path. Each footfall is muffled, as if the ground itself is cradling you. Ahead, a narrow trail winds between tall trees. Their trunks are dark, their leaves a delicate blend of dark blue and violet. A faint, warm light glows from within the forest, like distant lanterns made of sunrise. You feel safe walking forward, your pace unhurried. With each step, you hear a gentle rustle, the whisper of leaves breathing with the night wind. The sound is soft, like a lullaby, and it eases the chatter in your mind. You come to a small clearing. In the center, a smooth stone bench sits beneath a canopy of stars appearing through the trees. The sky above is clear, a deep indigo dotted with twinkling points of light. You sit down, feeling the cool stone against your back, supporting you fully. The night sky seems to hold you in a gentle embrace. You notice how the stars pulse slowly, each one a calm heartbeat of the universe. Take another breath in. Feel the cool night air fill your lungs. Hold. And exhale, letting go of the weight of today, of deadlines, of endless emails. With each exhale, imagine a gentle wind carrying away the fatigue, the stress, the feeling of burnout. See it drift far beyond the forest, disappearing into the dark horizon. Now, Focus on a single star, brighter than the rest. Its light is warm, like a tiny hearth. Visualize its glow spreading down to you, a soft golden ribbon reaching from the sky to your heart. As the light touches you, it brings a feeling of deep rest. Your shoulders relax further. Your mind softens. The light fills every part of you, replacing tension with calm. Feel the bench beneath you steady, the earth supporting you. Imagine a gentle rain beginning again, but this time it is a fine, warm mist that kisses your skin. Each drop is a soothing whisper, a promise of renewal. The mist drifts down, touching your face, your hair, your hands, and you feel each drop melt away a little more of the burnout you have carried. Listen to the forest now. A distant owl calls softly, a reminder that night is a time for healing. The leaves sway gently, making a sound like a soft sigh. Each sound is a reminder that you are safe, that you are allowed to rest, that you are allowed to let go. Stay here for a few moments, simply being. Let the night wrap around you like a soft blanket. Feel the calm settle in your chest, in your mind, in every muscle. Know that this peace is always available to you. Even when the world feels heavy, you can return to this forest in your mind whenever you need a break, whenever you need to recover. When you feel ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present room. Feel the surface you are lying or sitting on. Notice the temperature of the air around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, as if waking a sleeping part of you. Take a final deep breath in. Hold for a moment, and exhale fully, releasing any remaining tension. You may stay here, resting, letting your eyes close, drifting into sleep, or simply enjoying a deep, calm rest. Know that you have given yourself this time, this gift of recovery. Let the soft night of the forest linger in your heart as you move forward. Sleep well, or rest deeply. And when you awaken, you may feel lighter, more centered, ready to face the day with gentle strength. Thank you for allowing me to share this moment with you. Good night and sweet peace.